How to transfer CapCut projects from mobile to PC. So if you want to transfer your CapCut projects from mobile to your PC, then first you need to open up your CapCut on your mobile device. Now, let me tell you one thing, that to transfer your projects, what you need to do is simply create a space. So once you've edited your project, or once you've selected your project, now go for the right side of that project, which has that three dots icon. Tap on the three dots and then tap on upload to space. And here, if you have a space, then simply tap on that space. And here, tap on select and turn on. And here, turn on the projects. And then again, tap on confirm. And here you can see that the project has been backed up. So you can go back, and now this project has been backed up to the space. So what you can do is open up your CapCut on your PC. And once you open your PC, make sure to sign into your CapCut on your PC with the same account that you are logged into your mobile device. So simply go for the upper left, which has sign in, and then sign into your account. And once you've signed in, you will have all of the projects right here under your space. So that's how you can transfer your mobile's projects to your laptop. And if you want to do that same thing with your laptop, then you can simply choose your project and then you can upload your project to the space. And once you've uploaded, you can simply come to the mobile device, and then here you will have space option on the right side, on the upper right side below the new project. Tap on the space, tap on next, and here you will have all of the projects that are on your space. So that's how you can transfer your projects from your mobile device to your laptop, or from your laptop to your mobile device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.